If you want to live the Nocatee lifestyle, I'm talking golf cart paths, resort-style amenity centers, being minutes away from the beach, but you don't want that massive single-family home price tag. If so, you need to look at Woodland Park here in Nocatee. Because right now, the builder, Providence Homes, are offering massive incentives to help you get into these brand new townhomes. But before you walk into that model home alone to check out the floor plans, there is something major that these builders reps will never mention. I'm gonna reveal that secret with you in just a minute, but first I wanna show you what you actually get living here in Woodland Park. So what's the proximity in this community, Woodland Park? Well, the first two things I'd want to know is how close is the beach? Well, to Mickler's beach is only a 20-minute drive, so that's very, very doable. And also living in Nocatee, I'd want to know how far is the town center, the splash pads, the resort style amenity centers. Well, that's only around 2.6 miles away living in this community, so you could definitely hop in that little golf cart and drive on over to there. And this one is for my people that have kids or plan to have kids. You are very close to Valley Ridge Academy and Allen D High School. I personally don't have kids yet, but for those that do, it's definitely good to know. And then to zoom out just a little bit, you're right off of 210. So if you need to get to, I don't know, St. Augustine or downtown Jacksonville, you're right in the middle of them, but you're also right off of 210. So if you need to commute, if you work in downtown Jacks or Ponte Vedra Beach or St. Augustine, it's a quick drive. Alrighty, so right now, these townhomes are priced in the high 3s to low 4s, and I'm gonna show you two ready to be moved in townhomes. But first, I just wanna show you two of those models all spec'd out and everything, so you really get a true sense of the real potential that these floor plans have. And after we take a look at those models, I'm gonna show you those two move-in ready homes. So let's get right into it. All right, up first, we got the Holly floor plan. It is an end unit sitting at 4 beds, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, just above 1,600 square feet, and the primary bedroom will be upstairs. Now, you'll see this is going to be your 4th bedroom right off the entrance, and I don't know, I kind of see it as an office, but since it does have the connected bathroom and the closet, it's a bedroom. Alrighty, so coming upstairs, we're gonna be taking a look at the primary bedroom right down this hallway, right here, and then your walk-in closet. You actually get 2 of those, one right there, and then one on the other side, but I didn't go in it. Or actually, I do, I lied. So yep, you got 2 walk-in closets, and then right here is your primary bathroom, double vanity, walk-in shower with a nice door. And coming out of there, I'm gonna show you in just a second, this is your HVAC closet, and then your laundry closet right there. That's where it's gonna be located. And then you got a nice little linen closet for your throw pillows and your throw blankets. And then this is bedroom number 2. And it's a Jack and Jill bathroom that's connected, if you'll see in just a second, bedroom number 3. Yeah, right there. It is a single vanity though, so just keep that in mind. Now let's go downstairs. Alrighty, so this is the living room or the living area right here. And then this is your kitchen area. You'll see the pantry. They stocked it up with a bunch of Campbell chicken soup. I love it. Nice little quartz countertop, stainless steel sink, dining area, and then the outdoor living, screened in lanai, very nice. And that is the Holly floor plan by Providence Homes. Alrighty, next up we have the Laurel floor plan. And the main difference with this one is the primary bedroom is on the 1st floor. And with that being said, it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2-car garage, and it's sitting at just under 1,900 square feet. So coming up the stairs, you got your 4th bedroom, walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and then you got the shower tub combo to go with it. Very nice. Coming out right there, passing the linen closet, give you a little show right there. You got a nice little loft area right here, which is very cool. And this is your HVAC closet, excuse me. And this is your bathroom number 2 that accommodates bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. And just to show you a little sizing of the room here and the closet, just to give you an idea. So basically, the model home is pretty exact to the inventory homes that we'll see in just a moment. But let's go downstairs right now and to show you the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room area. Very nice kitchen right here. Nice quartz countertop, dishwasher. Got the laundry closet right there, and the pantry got the Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios. I love Honey Nut Cheerios, not kidding. And that's your garage entrance right there. Got a half bath right here too, which is pretty cool. Now you got the living room, you got the screened-in lanai, but wait, let's show off that primary bedroom. Ensuite primary bathroom, obviously. Double vanity, walk-in closet, separate WC. Very nice. And to end it off, we're going to see the outdoor living, the screened-in lanai. You got some outlets right there. And that is the Laurel floor plan. Alrighty, so hopefully after seeing those models of the Holly and the Laurel, it'll give you a better idea of this quick move-in home that I'm standing in right now. This is the Holly floor plan. And just to give you an idea, I'm not going to do another walkthrough because we just walked through this one as a model. I'm just going to show you the finishes and what it exactly looks like. And obviously I'll show you the lot and where it butts up against, but let's take a look at this Holly. So this one in particular that I'm standing in right now is priced just above $400,000. And it shocks me that that's even possible to live in Nocatee for that price range. So like I said, I'm not going to go into every single room because we just looked at this one as a model, but I'm just going to show you the finishes. So this is the floor that comes in right now. It's a tile floor, which is nice because if you have a puppy like me, it's waterproof, so it's not going to soak up the pee-pee and get into the floorboards. So appliances are included, not all of them, but some of them are included, like the microwave, the oven. This is a electric community. You get the dishwasher, but they do not include the fridge. So just to give you an idea, I'm just going to be completely upfront with you. I'll never say that something's included and it's not. Here are the finishes in the bathroom. Right there, let's go upstairs. The stairs are carpeted, but I do have a guide to remove that if you so please. It's a low pile carpet, so it's not terrible, but I could definitely see why someone might rip it out and put hardwood or vinyl or anything but carpet. So this is upstairs Jack and Jill bathroom finish. Soft close, which is nice. If you're like me, you like to slam them, not on purpose, but you tend to slam cabinets, so it's nice that it comes with the soft close. Yep. Like I said, guys, very, very almost identical because it is. Same floor plan. And now this is the finish on the primary bedroom, master bedroom, twin vanities, and you get that tile matches the downstairs, which is nice. Separate WC. Nice step-in shower, nice inserts. I honestly prefer this over the sliding because the sliding tends to be a little bit fragile, but that'll last a little bit longer, in my opinion. And then that 2-car garage. And just a heads up, the washer and dryer are not included, but in my opinion, I'd rather them not include that and tax us on that. So I'd rather have that not included and have that money allocated towards incentives, which is going to bring me to the next part of the video. So as of right now, they have 4 move-in ready townhomes ready for July and August. And because of the builder's current promotions, they're giving up to $25,000 towards your closing costs if you go with their preferred lender for qualified buyers. And that's pretty much going to cover almost all of your out-of-pocket for closing costs, which is pretty huge in my opinion. And don't worry, I probably know what you're thinking. What are the HOAs and CDDs of living in this community? I'm going to talk about that in a minute, right after I show you the second move-in ready townhome, because I'm in a little bit of a time crunch, so stick with me. Let's show you this townhome. Alrighty, so this is the second quick move-in ready townhome that I want to show you guys. It's priced just above $420,000 because you are getting a larger square footage footprint and floor plan because this is the Laurel. And like I said, I'm not going to go into every single room and bore you because I already showed you the decorated model of this floor plan. So I'm just going to show you the finishes and what exactly it looks like in this home. So again, like the first one, tile floors, which I love. We'll go upstairs in just a second, but it is carpeted. This is the finishes on the kitchen. Before, microwave, stove is included, dishwasher is included, fridge is not included. Again, you got that 2-car garage. And if you remember, this is where your washer and dryer would go, but they do not include it, which is okay, in my opinion, like I said, because you could save money. Half bath, just like before. Same screened-in lanai. These are the finishes in the master bathroom. Nice step-in shower with the door. Honestly, call me crazy, but I preferably would rather have that and these other doors that I'd be seeing in these new construction homes. Alrighty, now let's go upstairs to show you what that looks like. And while I walk up these stairs, I'd figure I'd tell you Providence Homes is a locally owned business constructing 100% Energy Star certified single family home and townhomes. And what that really means is, as a homeowner, your electricity and your heating bill is going to be a lot lower compared to standard new construction homes. And they achieve this by using their state-of-the-art spray foam insulation in their attics. Tile in this bathroom, nice to see. Less carpeting that I'll have to replace. Again, in this bathroom, nice to see. So without me saying anything, it's virtually the same as the model version of this floor plan. So what matters most is the location and the size of lot that you're sitting on. And that's why I show that, because that's very important. And with that, here are the backyards of the 2 inventory homes that we were looking at today in this video. This one right here is the Laurel floor plan. This is the backyard of the Laurel. And then right next to it is actually the Holly that we were looking at. So just to give you an idea of what it would look like when moving into one of these inventory homes that we're looking at today. Alrighty, last but not least, your HOA and CDD fees, because it's important, because you got to pay it, right? So living in Woodland Park, I keep saying Woodland Park, but this is where we are. It's by Providence Homes. Your CDD and your HOA, I just like to combine them as a monthly payment. You don't pay it monthly, but I like to just calculate it as a monthly payment. So you just set it aside so you're not, blowing your CDD and HOA money out of the water. So monthly, it comes out to $413 a month combined. And what do you get? Well, obviously you get access to Nocatee's world-class amenity centers. They got water, it's like an actual water park. When I say a water park, it's a water park, a splash pad, all that good stuff. And living in this townhome by Providence Homes, they maintain the exterior completely hands-free. So they're gonna cut, edge, and blow your grass, which is very nice to hear, because in the summer months, it gets really humid sometimes, and it's not the most fun thing to do, cut your grass. So you don't have to worry about it. So that's a thumbs up for me. Now, this leads us to the most important part of this entire video. So after seeing this video, you'd probably wanna check it out. Check out the floor plans in person. And when you walk into that beautiful model home, that nice person that's sitting there behind the desk works for the builder. Their legal and fiduciary responsibility is to get the builder the best and highest priced on the best terms on their inventory. Unfortunately, they do not represent you, the buyer. Now, if you bring me into the picture when you go look at those model homes or inventory homes, as your independent real estate agent, your advocate, my job is to protect you, to make sure you get the best deal possible on the best terms, and to oversee third-party inspections while also not limiting you to only one specific builder. I could show you any builder, any community you'd like here in Northeast Florida. So not only do I represent you and I'm your advocate, I'm also not limited to the type of homes I'm able to show you. But best of all, this is what I like the most. The builder actually pays my commission as a part of a marketing fee. So having me on your corner, it costs you nothing. The builder actually pays my commission. Like I said, as a marketing fee, it's already built into the price of the home. So most people think it's actually going to be cheaper if you walk in and buy new construction without a real estate agent. Well, in reality, they just pocket that money for themselves when you could be having representation, advocating for your needs and wants for free. So with that being said, if you would like a full spec sheet of these 2 inventory townhomes that we looked at today, or anything in the area living in Northeast Florida, and a step-by-step guide on how we could use these current builder incentives to save you the most amount of money, do not call the builder. Simply just text the word Woodland to my phone number, my direct cell phone number, 609-891-7179. Or if you're not really a big texter like me, you could just simply go to the description of this video and click that link to schedule a 10-minute strategy call with me. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to know more information about this community or Nocatee or other communities that I cover like Silverleaf or Newton and E-Town, reach out to me. All my contact information will be down below in the description. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.